what is it called? BS. Ready?
All right.
Ready? Hey everyone, Charles BS Slot Cars, Brother Steve here.
And we're gonna race the ones you picked, AFX Mega G Indies.
Yeah, don't blink.
Don't blink, they're faster than lightning, and guess what, sister?
My eyes are bothering me.
The last package of candies from the guy who sent them in.
Oh, the last gift.
These are the Jelly Bean Assortment 20 flavors. Ooh. Up for grabs along with the trophy. So you ready to rock?
Ready to rock.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Don't touch my tires. You know he's a cheater.
Alright, tell him what voltage we're running on. 22. What color am I in?
We're running on 22 volts.
Oh, it's gonna be...
It's super speed. You better put toothpicks in your eyes. You don't want to blink.
No.
My eyes are already burning.
There we go. This should be a nice fast race.
Oh God. I can't even.
And what did we just do? We just raced the what?
The 1/24th scale.
That wasn't a good thing to do.
It's like going from the turtle to the rabbit.
Yeah. Alright.
No in between.
Alright. Here we go, guys. 2-minute heats in each lane. We rotate, add up all the laps, and see who wins.
Just most importantly,
trophy in the jelly beans.
Check how close you are to the button.
AFX Mega G Plus Indies with my custom homemade urethane tires on the rear.
Check out my yellow tires.
Yeah, they're classy, ain't they? Match the paint. Alright, you ready, sister?
I'm ready.
Alright. Start out easy because I know we're going to blow it. Alright.
Will
Cars.
these be the ones where we don't make it past the first
Cars
time?
to the grid. Oh, here goes everything. Wish us luck.
God, I'm scared.
Oh, they're slow. Ain't they slow? You don't even talk, she's so mesmerized.
Oh God.
It's starting to get messed up?
Yep.
Alright. Oh, that's gonna
yes!
be right into the
yes!
Right into the GoPro.
See what happens? Mess around and find out.
Oh yeah. Never fool around with Cheryl.
See? Busted my chops and look.
Look how far you got. It's incredible. Ready?
Wait. It was only 23 seconds.
That felt like a lifetime.
Oh my God.
You ready?
I was kind of hoping it said 37
We both got
seconds.
6 laps each too. Ready?
Oh my God. I can't see.
Oh my. I blew it already. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! And I wasn't even going good and you muffed up. What was that about talking, guys?
Messed up my whole rhythm.
Oh yeah, excuses.
Ready?
Yeah. Now's my chance. Come on. Get that yellow tires, car. Getting out of rhythm yet?
No, my eyes are bothering
Your
me.
eyes? Come on, baby. Do the twist. Oh, yes, you did the twist.
Damn it.
Yes, you did the twist.
I swear, I don't think I blinked that whole time.
Where were you in this turn?
Yeah.
All right.
My eyes.
11-11. We're in heaven. And we got 59 big
Oh my
seconds
God,
left.
that was only a minute?
Yep. Hit the button, sister. Hit the button.
Too old for this.
Maybe we should put the voltage down to 15.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh my God.
Oh, Nelly! She's breaking up! She's breaking up! Oh, the close one! Oh, the gravity! No, no! No fair! Oh, it gets up in a tight turn. Oh, pushing her! He's gone! My tires are gonna burst! Ah, yeah! Holy smokes!
I saw it like it was in slow motion. My God.
Where'd you pull off over there,
My
right?
turn.
Oh, my heart's racing. I'm gonna have a heart attack. We're doing white, right? Feel it.
Whew.
29-30.
17
seconds left.
Ready?
Yes, I am, sister. Them yellow tires are failing.
Sure. Custom.
I can hold out this lead a little bit. He's catching me already. Dang.
Ah. Damn it.
It's a close one. Ooh, my heart. All right, write them down.
My eyes are burning. I feel like they're like burning.
All right, yellow got 34.
Yellow?
I mean, yellow. I'm thinking of your car tires. White got 34. She's like, what, we get a new color lane?
Wait,
White.
so me, I'm 30.
34 on section 13. And I got 35 on section 1.
Okie dokie.
All right, I'm in the lead by a little bit here.
I fell off like, what, 3 or 4
Clean
times?
them up. Switch lanes.
They're so hard to just keep following. They're too fast.
Oh, you got eyeball cramps?
No, my eyes have been bothering me. They're dry and no good.
What are you going to do? Trade your AFX cars for some 124th one?
No. I feel like my eyes need drops, like they're dry and
Oh.
stingy.
All right, I'm in white lane, right? And you go to black.
Great.
Ugh. This is crazy. We need that black counter car here.
Oh man, I wish I would have got to test this lane. Very important.
Got the roll car.
God knows how fast you can go around this turn. I don't even know.
You'll find out.
Did you floor yours?
No.
Liar.
Oh, you could floor yours if you want. You can floor yours and try it if you're that confident in them yellow demon tires. Alright, we're in the right lanes, right? Yeah. Oh my God. Alright guys, heat number 2. We're both at what?
Wait.
I got 35 laps and my sister got 34. It's like what? like about 10 foot ahead, maybe 12 foot of track.
Mm.
All right, 2 minutes. Add them up and see who wins them beans.
I hate being in this lane because
Beans.
I always end up using my controller with my hand
Go
with the
like
controller
this. Go
just to
like
hit
that.
it. What do you want me to do? Hit it with my elbow?
Oh, better than breaking your controllers. Ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Cars to the line. Here we go. It's a close one. I don't know how this lane is. I better hold out the lead. Is she getting closer already? What the hell? I always lost that dang blue Indy car of hers. No, staying ahead this time. You ain't getting me. Dang it!
I stopped midway.
What a dummy!
I stopped midway on the middle of the track. I let off. I'm like, what am I doing?
Where was I? What lane am I in, White?
Yeah.
Where did I fall off? I don't even know. Put it there. Ah, look at that. Just in a snap, you're all the way up.
And we're only a quarter of the way in, 30 seconds.
129 left. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, mamma mia. Oh, and you're going to just floor it, too.
Pretty much.
Oh, you... I was hitting the button over here.
I did, because...
We should have a light glowing in it.
That wouldn't be a bad idea. Put some LEDs around it. The soft ones, otherwise they'll distract you.
Like you got a laugh.
I actually
now.
think that's a good idea. Tell
Maybe I
me
should
what
just
you
put
think
red
in
around-
the comments.
Ah, well, but-
No, but soft LEDs around the button so you go right to it, but it's not
Yeah,
too bright
maybe,
that it's
or
distracting.
one green one right there. Maybe a green one.
Something.
All right, we'll figure it out. But in the meantime, I'm losing. Ready?
Minute 17.
I believe it. I always lose with this Indy car. A lot of rhythm.
Me.
That's a good heat. Your out of rhythm messes me up.
Yeah. I'm all screwed up. I am.
You screwed up. Oh, you stink.
Only lasts so
I
long.
only had 5 seconds left. What an idiot. I was getting closer too. I blew it. Oh well, it's freaking Indy car. Never see you with this one.
I want to buy a new one.
Yeah, feel my heart.
Is it worse than before? It's going.
I was getting so close. I was happy. Look, I'm gonna get her now. Look at that.
I started getting out of rhythm and I just started looking at the track. I'm like, I gotta figure that out because I was like flooring it halfway through the track.
I lost.
They're too fast.
You ready? Set. Here we go. 5 seconds. Woohoo. You got me by a lap. Ha! Dang it! I dread that blue Indy car. Black has 36 on section. What is that over there? You're towards 9 more.
9?
Yep. And I'm on
1.
section 1 and I got 35.
Yeah, so I'm that far ahead.
Yep.
Same thing as the other cars, basically.
You got me again. Oh well. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Steve, 35,
I'm just gonna
35.
hand myself the trophy.
35 to 35 to 70, section 1. My sister got 34, 36, and 70, section 9. So she got me by 8 sections, right?
Yeah.
It was good racing. I blew it. I can never get you with that blue Indy car.
It's a good one.
I'm going to have to try some other car.
I'm going to be very sad when I blow the motor.
Here's the trophy. Oh, wait.
Oh, and I got all the bags of candies.
The last candies we got. And it's yours. Enjoy them. It was a good race, sister.
Hand me my car.
I thought I could have did it. I thought I was going to get you this time. It was good in the first half. Then I fell off so many times and blew
Now,
it.
you know, I fell in that lane. I fell off like 3 or 4 times.
Oh, well, it was a close one. You want your car?
Yeah.
Oh, mamma mia. Yeah, take them both. Nah, give me my losing car. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Indy race. It was close until the second heat when I really blew it big time. But these things fly. They're fun, these Indy cars.
Yeah, they're
especially when you put the
fast.
urethane tires I made on here. Even with the stock rubber ones, they work good on this track. But with these, forget it. They're like glue. 22 volts of floor in action.
And they're so fast.
My eyeballs hurt.
Yeah, see, mine are burning. I think I blinked like once or twice during each heat.
All right, congratulations. You deserved it. Like
Thanks.
always, I don't think I ever beat you with the IndyCar ones, these ones.
No.
I got to find something for next time.
Yeah. Maybe it's just the car, not the driver.
Yeah, I think that car's a good one. I think it's a real good one. All right, guys. We had a blast as always. I don't think it was the best idea racing these after them big 124th career ones. They felt,
I should have had something in the middle.
yeah, we first tried them. We were like, plinging them off. We're like, how are we going to race these? Then we raced them. We did it right, though. We stood on good.
Yeah,
did you fall off a couple times? I fell off on the next lane a couple times.
I think I fell off more than with this.
Yeah.
On this other lane.
Yeah, it was a good one. Till next time, sister. Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate you. If you're new watching, subscribe.
Leave comments.
And we'll see you next time on the racetrack. Bye, little bugger. You made me lose. We are the champions, my friends.